Okay. Where are you going today?
School.
Yeah? What's your teacher's name?
Noah.
Who's your friend who's gonna be in school?
Neighbor.
Yeah? Are you excited?
Yes, neighbor.
Yeah?
Neighbor, 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 to the neighbor down. Talk, 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 talk.
You ready?
Mhm.
How old are you?
3.
3.
3.
Right.
3.
Okay.